Stewart pump. Well, it was a complete failure, so we're gonna disconnect the pump and take it to the trunk. So here's a plug for your wiring. Let's pull that right out of there. And then I got a mount right here on the frame. I'm gonna take that off. Time now, but we are dedicated to getting this done. So I'm going to drill a hole there. It's big, it's bigger than usual, but it's the only freaking hole saw I got, and I'm too lazy to go to the store right now. So we're gonna punch through here, and we're going to use a 90 and turn that hose back over to where it needs to go. So that's where the pump is going to be mounted, and the discharge to the pump will be going through this hole. So let's do it. Okay, we got the pump mounted. We have the hose ran. I drilled the other hole, it came out good. Wrapped it around over here, connected. Now we're gonna connect the discharge of the tank to the suction part of the pump. Okay, so right here we have a 1-inch 45-degree bend, and I have to put an adapter here. Okay, we're gonna use a 45-degree bend. It's a 1-inch, because 1 inch comes off of that pump, and then we use a 3/4 adapter, and then it's gonna go into that 3/4 hose. So we're gonna hook this up now. Okay, I got this switch over here. This is for the pump. It's wired into the hot and the ground here under the engine bay. I'm gonna start cutting the clips off and take this to the trunk. wiring harness. We're back here in the trunk. Everything's hooked up. All the hoses are good to go. Now we're just gonna put this battery back in. We're gonna go ahead and plug the pump in here. And then instead of using the remote right now, which is this wire, we're just gonna go ahead and just hardwire it into the battery. And then later we're gonna run the remote wires to that fuse back under the engine bay. All right. Okay, so Stewart pump is in. My estimation for fitment was correct. Fits right there. Now we're gonna plug in the battery and get this thing wired in. Here's the wires. Here. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're in. Now here's the negative for the pump. Put that right here. Okay, so you got everything. We got power straight to the battery. The purple wire, I did have to run a remote back to the engine bay, a fuse that I already had lined up. So this wire we're going to take and run it under the car later, and I got it ground to the chassis. So we're going to start filling the water here, and then we are going to cross our fingers this thing works. There we go. Flowing good over here. How you guys doing? No leaks. Alright, here's where the big explosion happened. I got it all tight and secured real nice. Check my connections down here. Yep. Okay. Working down in here.